In this tutorial, we're going to create a very simple transition effect that gives a real powerful look and feel to it. So if you're interested, follow me. So let's trim this down. All you need is just a video camera and some video footage. That's all you really need. Nothing else. So let's trim this down here. Split this. Trim it 30 seconds. Delete it. Import my video from my camcorder. Delete the audio. Do a crossfade. Over there is fine. Shorten the audio track. And this is what it looks like. That's all there is to it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.